If your iPhone is not letting you log in to certain apps, especially the ones that use Safari for login, this quick fix should help you solve the issue. Many users, especially in iPhone, are reporting that they get logged out or can't complete the login process when apps redirect them to a Safari sign-in page. To fix this, first open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Safari. Now, scroll down and open Advanced Settings. Here, look for the option called Block All Cookies. If you don't see it on Advanced, don't worry. In some iOS versions, this setting appears directly on the main Safari settings page or may not be shown at all, depending on your device. If this option is turned on, simply disable it. This setting can sometimes stop login sessions from saving properly, which causes apps to fail during Safari-based sign-in. After turning it off, try logging into your app again, and it should work normally. If the issue continues, there's one more thing you should try. Go back to Settings and open General. Now tap on VPN and Device Management. If you have any VPN enabled, turn it off completely. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Safari login sessions and cause authentication errors in apps. Once done, try logging in again, and the issue should be fixed. If this video helped you fix iPhone app login problems, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone troubleshooting tutorials.